What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's Saturday morning. It is 7:30. I'm doing like a hour and a half drive each way to go and pick up an aerator. It's missing a gas tank, but the price for it's right, and I can always figure out how to get a gas tank onto it. So I'm looking forward to picking it up, seeing if it's in good shape, what kind of tines are on it, if they're core tines or solid tines. Either way, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait to show you guys this machine. And yeah, let's keep driving. Alright, so I got the aerator home. This big old Toro. It did take me probably about a half hour or so to get this thing running. It needs a few things, a little bit of work, but for the price, I'm not worried about that. It's all stuff that can be easily done, but I just wanted to show you guys what this machine's all about. So I'm gonna see if I can fire this thing up for you. It does need a new air filter on it. This machine is 30 years old, approximately. And look at how dirty that is. It's just black. But that's alright, that's an easy fix. Alright, so let's just try and get this thing going for you. So like I said, it needs a little bit of work, nothing major. But yeah, so other than that, let's go underneath the hood, because I can take this hood off for you and show you what's going on inside. So it doesn't take much, just undo these guys on the side, pop off the top. There we go, popping the top. So everything's functioning on the inside, but see that chain right there? I gotta get a new one for that side. Again, nothing major. And for the price that I paid for this machine, I will easily pay for a chain. So that's about it. There's really nothing too much to show you right now, because it does need a little bit of work, but we'll get this thing going in the yard probably within a week or two. But I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful Toro Aerator. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.